Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has sought support from Naga bodies in Senapati district to help restore peace in Manipur. The Chief Minister also asserted that his government is working hard to bring unity among communities. Chief Minister N. Biren said this while attending Robvena festival at Punanamai village in Senapati district today. Speaking in the program, the Chief Minister said the Robvena festival is based on the theme of getting together, reconciliation and forgiveness, which are needed in Manipur at this hour. He added that the role of the people of Senapati district is huge. The role of the Naga People's Organization, Senapati District Student Association, United Naga Council Headquarters and other civic societies is huge in protecting the unity and integrity of the state and strengthening the indigenous communities of Manipur. Chief Minister N. Biren said he has come to seek help from the people of Senapati district to restore peace and normalcy in the state, while also asserting that it would be difficult to establish a united Manipur without equal development and mutual respect among the people of the hills and the valley. Speaking further, Chief Minister maintained that to establish a united Manipur without equal development and mutual respect among the people of the hills and the valley. He further maintained that Manipur has 34 recognized tribes, of which 24 or 25 are indigenous. Some people are old settlers but non-indigenous. The Chief Minister claimed that the administration has witnessed the growth of villages of unrecognized people in the state through satellite images. Under such circumstances, it was necessary to identify illegal immigrants, and this exercise was also conducted through constitutional provisions. Unfortunately, this led to unwanted incidents and many lives have been lost and many left homeless. Chief Minister reached the interior Naga village to attend the program by helicopter after the Kuki-Zo Council in Churachandpur claimed that it would not allow him to go to Senapati by passing through Kangpokpi district by road.